alchemy crystal singles, specifically crystal tones. And we're going to go deep in this workshop on May 4th and 5th in the application of how to play them with healing intention, how to bring them in your own life, in your own home, and create more abundance, how to transform your own energies, and the way that you think and the way that you speak to people. It's about becoming more sensitive to your own energies and how you show up in the world. And these things have their own voices as well, which is really cool. The more that you dive deep into the art of it and the grid of what these tools are, they start speaking to you on such a subtle level, and it becomes very, very precious in a way. It's endearing, the relationship you can have with a sentient being as I see them. So I have a huge sensitivity to them, and I wish to share this sensitivity with all of you who wish to show up on this workshop. Level 1, learn how to play crystal bowls.